Are you in the pursuit of an AI assistant that delivers comprehensive, credible data? Enter the world of Perplexity AI, a power-packed tool that conducts real-time web searches, offering the freshest, most pertinent data on any subject. Unlike the fixed knowledge base of ChatGPT, Perplexity dives into the vast online universe for thorough, context-aware responses. The advantages? Source citations for fact verification and original source exploration. Versatility that spans from research assistance to content ideas, coding solutions to complex topics. Advanced language understanding that creates long, coherent video scripts, surpassing ChatGPT. Despite its tech sophistication, Perplexity offers an intuitive interface that's a breeze to navigate. Eager to taste the future of intelligent search? Head over to perplexity.ai today and register for a free trial. Enhance your research, streamline your workflows, and unleash the power of AI with this transformative tool. Don't compromise with outdated information or restrictive AI assistance. Give Perplexity AI a whirl and discover why it's turning the tables in the AI world for researchers, writers, and professionals across the board.